Ms. Pragati Misra. In our last video, we were discussing about the topic differential equation. On differential equation, I have taken 30 to 31 videos. Today, I will discuss a new topic, that is some short tricks related to matrix. Firstly, I will tell you that how to determine the rank of 3 cross 3 matrix, and then I will tell you a short trick related to matrix. And that's it. That suppose you have given a matrix and it is asking about a raised to power 54 or a raised to power 64, then how you can determine it easily. So today we will see this, how to find the power of matrix A. So now I am going to start our video. So firstly we will discuss to find the rank of 3 cross 3 matrix. Suppose you have given a matrix of order 3, that is 3 cross 3. Then how you can find the rank of this matrix? Firstly, you just find the determinant of this matrix. And if determinant of A is not equal to 0, in that case, rank of A is equal to 3. Now suppose this is our case 1, and now suppose if determinant of A is equal to 0, then we choose a 2 cross 2 minor of A. You just try to find a 2 cross 2 minor of A whose determinant is not equal to 0. If you are able to find that type of minor, in that case the rank of the matrix becomes 2, because we are getting a minor of 2 cross 2 whose determinant is not equal to 0. In that case the rank of matrix becomes 2. Okay, so I hope you understand this. Now suppose you are not able to find any 2 cross 2 minor in any matrix. In that case the rank of matrix becomes 1. So if you are able to find a minor of matrix A whose order is 2, then and its determinant is non-zero, then the rank of the matrix becomes 2. Now suppose we are not getting any minor of order 2 cross 2 whose determinant is 0. In that case the rank of matrix becomes 1. So now I am taking one example to show how to find the rank of a 3 cross 3 matrix. So if we find the determinant of A, then determinant of A is equal to, firstly we take 3 and delete this column and this column and take the cross multiplication. Then we get minus 4. This becomes plus 4. And now minus 1. Now we cross multiply this by and this by this. So we get 12 minus 12. Now we will take 2 and then this becomes minus 6 plus 6. So you can see minus 4 plus 4 becomes 0, 12 minus 12 becomes 0, 6 minus 6 becomes 0. So overall determinant of A is equal to 0. So rank of A cannot be equal to 3. Since our determinant is equal to 0, so rank of A cannot be 3. So now we will try to find a 2 cross 2 minor of any 2 cross 2 minor of this matrix such that its determinant becomes non-zero. If we are able to find that type of minor, then the rank of the matrix becomes 2. So if we take the first minor, that is this one, then this becomes 3 minus 1 minus 6, 2. And if we try to find the determinant of this 2 cross 2 minor, this gives me 6 minus 6. Again I am getting 0. So you can take other minors as well. You will get the result 0 in all the cases. That is, if you take any minor of this matrix, you will always get the determinant of minors as 0. So rank of this matrix cannot be equal to 2. In that case, only one case is remained, that is the rank of A is 1. So rank of A is equal to 1. So in this way we can find the rank of any 3 cross 3 matrix. So I hope you understand this. Now I am going to take our next short trick. So our next short trick is it that if sum of element in each row or each column of a square matrix A is A, that is, suppose you have a square matrix and in that matrix the sum of element in each row or each column is same, that is, suppose it is A, then sum of element in each row or each column of a square matrix A raised to power n is A raised to power n. So I hope you are understanding. If you are not understanding, then I will take one example to show what is it saying. So here you can see this is our square matrix which is of order 3, and if you see the row of each sum, the sum of each row is 2 1 3 1 4, here 3 1 4 and 2 2 4. So you can see that the sum of each row is same, and if you find the value of A square, then you can see the row sum of A square is 4 square 4 square 4 square. Now I will take the square of this matrix and I will show you that how is it possible. So now we will take the product of A with A. So if we take the product, then we know that first row, first column, so we will get 1 0 and 4. So 1 plus 4 becomes 5 and this becomes 2 9. I hope you know about the matrix multiplication, so I am not going to tell you that. So this becomes 6 1 9 and this becomes 6 2 and 8. So this is our square of the matrix A. So now you can see 5 2 7 7 9 16, that can be written as 4 square. So here you can see the row sum of this matrix was 4, and here if we are taking the square of this matrix, then row sum in each case is 16. Now you can see this is also 16, that is 4 square. This is also 16, that is 4 square. So in this way we can find the matrix. If our A is given and it is asking about higher powers of A, then we can easily determine by checking the row sum. We will just check the row sum and try to calculate that which one has the same row sum as A have. So I will take one example which is asked in CSIR net, and I will try to show you how to apply this method on any question. So this is the question which is asked in CSIR net. Now it is given that if A is equal to a 2 cross 2 matrix, then A raised to power 20 equals. We have to do nothing, just check the row sum. If the row sum is same, then we can apply our trick number 2. Firstly, we will check what is the row sum of A. 3 minus 2, 2 minus 1. If you see that the row sum is 1 here and 2 minus 1, the row sum is 1 here. So the row sum is same. So if we take A raised to power 20, then A raised to power 20 has also row sum 1 and row sum 1. So we will try to check which one has row sum 1. If you see, this becomes 81, this becomes minus 79. So this option is discarded. Now we will take the second one. If we see, the row sum is 1 here and the row sum is 1 here. So this one is correct. Now we will take the next one. Sorry. This one becomes 1 and this is minus 79. So this is same, but this becomes 79. So this option is also wrong. Now we take the last one. If we see, then the row sum of this row is 81 and this is 1. So this is also discarded. So we can easily determine by seeing the row sum of any matrix. Here we can see that the row sum in each case is 1. So we'll try to find that matrix whose row sum is 1. Because 1 raised to power 20 is again 1. So we have A raised to power 20 as 41 minus 40 and 40 and minus 39. So this was the solution of this type of matrices. So I hope you understand this, and I hope you like this short tricks. And if you are liking this video, then please like this video and share and subscribe. Thank you.